Palo Alto Baron 162 Delta Fox. We're going to have to return to the airport. We got a little right engine problem.
Baron 2 Delta Fox, enter right downwind.
Declare an emergency. We've got loss of power on both engines. Wondering about the fuel.
Baron 2 Delta Fox, your number 1, runway 31, clear to land, energy 113.
Okay, clear to land 312 Delta.
2 Tango Charlie, you still want me to land? You want me to go around?
Saratoga 3 Tango Charlie, go around, extend upwind.
Go around, extend upwind, 2 Tango Charlie.
September 9 Hotel Zulu, that aircraft looked like that aircraft just crashed and did not make it.
9 Hotel Zulu, roger.
9 Hotel Zulu, I just saw that aircraft not make it on right base.
Palo Alto Tower, this is Husky 8 Hotel Yankee. We can do a circle to find that crash aircraft if you need us to.
Husky 8 Hotel Yankee, we have aircraft closer to it that can look, thank you. Stobby 3 Alpha Charlie, advise if you have the aircraft in sight.
Looking through it, Charlie. Charlie 3 Alpha Charlie, looks like we've got that aircraft in sight. Can't see any movement, he looks like he's in one piece.
Stobby 3 Alpha Charlie, thank you.